Grab the handles. Now get in the center of the machine. Take one step forward with each leg. Perfect. Now plant them solid. Bend your knees. Good. Put your hands out in front. Now, you don't want your hands perfectly straight. You want them slightly bent. So slightly bend them. In the center of your chest is where you want your hands also. On this exercise, you want to bend forward a little. There we go. Slightly turn hands. Now come down out to 90-degree angle. Right there. Perfect. Squeeze that chest. On this exercise, you want to come down where your elbow meets your shoulder. Blow out. Breathe in on the way back. Perfect. Keep your abs nice and tight. Don't move around. If you notice, her hands are not moving around as well. It's nice and solid. Her head is nice and straight. She's looking straight at you. Look at her elbows. They're lined up with the center of her chest as well. She's coming down to 90-degree angles. Breathing in on the way down, blowing out on the way out.